Morning. I'm trying to organise a surprise for Winona. So she's gone away to Adelaide for a week. I've just dropped her off at the airport. And I thought while she's away, this is the perfect opportunity to clean up her car. It desperately needs it. So it's a surprise for Winona. Hopefully when she gets back she notices it pretty quick. It needs a desperate polish on the outside, and it needs a few other things on the inside of it. I'm sitting in it at the moment. On the inside it needs this gear shifter. It's missing its chrome, and that door handle over there is missing its chrome. So, and there's a few other things too. It needs new tyres. She was super devastated about clipping our front fence. So her front bumper got clipped, and I thought, oh, I'll better take it to the panel beater while she's away. So the front bumper's going to get cleaned up. Those bits on the interior I'll replace. I've already got them at home. I've organised them. I'll give it a polish and I'll organise some extra tyres. And I'll see whether she notices all of this when she comes back from Adelaide. New treads. I took Winona's wheel off one night because she needs two back wheels, two back tyres. They're bald. Fronts are alright. So I organised her one. Why did I organise her one? Let's have a look. This might be a good trick for people that might be a little bit short of money but their car needs some new tyres, or if you're cheating a bit, hopefully Winona doesn't notice. So I've only bought her one tyre, but it looks like she's got two. Because in your car, a lot of people forget about this. Their spare tyre, voila! Their spare tyre is practically brand new. Look at that. That's like fresh from the tyre shop. Also, one other thing, I'll be doing a wheel rotation too. So the two that are on the front have already done quite a few thousand kilometres, but they're still good tyres. Being this front wheel drive and everything like that, I'll be best to put those worn tyres on the back. And these two brand new ones that I've got, I'll put on the front. It might be a bit of a mongrel car though, because they're two different brands. I didn't even check that. Don't tell her. Done, new tyres. Next, I'll give it a scrub it up dub, give it a wash, then take it back for a polish. As you can see, I've got that front bumper all sorted. The panel shop did an amazing job, and the scratch is gone that Winona was so upset about. Spare parts. Yes, I'm changing parts. The door handle, very good. That looks pretty good to me. There, new one installed. Next is this gear stick knob. As you can see, it's lost all of its chrome. Done. New one's on. That's it, all done. Everything I wanted to do to her car, I've done it. As you can see, it's gotten quite dark. It's been a full day working on this thing. But yep, achieved a lot. The panel beater has done an awesome job at fixing up her little scrape on the front. As you can see, it's all disappeared. Looks like new. I've gone out and gotten that. Well, it looks like we've got two brand new tyres on the front, but I only paid for one due to my little trick. Then I've obviously done the clean and the polish. The polish took forever. That roof is in poor condition. I might have to re-spray paint it one day, but I got it looking okay. The rest of the car looks really good after its polish. I think it's ever had a polish in its life. Cleaned up the headlights as well. Well, these tail lights all got cleaned up. Done some tyre black. The interior parts, so replaced the door handle and the gear stick knob. The gear stick knob is not, I don't overly like it, but it is better than the old one that's there. It's a non-genuine one, so it doesn't quite look the same as what it originally looked like, but the original one looks a bit tatty, so I mean changing it will look a lot better. That, and also I put some wiper blades on it. Oh, I've gone all out. It's too much work. Can't even name it all. Vacuumed it, armour rolled the dash, done everything. So will she even notice? I don't know. We'll just have to find out. 1 minute drop off, 1 minute pick up. Hang on. T4 I'm going to at the moment. Winona.
Hey, Zaka.
Hey. Hello. How you doing?
Good. And you?
Yeah, good.
Did you stop by Macca's and treat yourself?
No.
No?
We are home. All she noticed was the wiper blades. She said, "Oh, have you changed the wiper blades?" I said, "Yes." That was it. Winona's finally starting to notice some things with her car. What have you noticed, Nones?
Well, the tyre is new
Yep,
and the bumper is new.
yep. Anything else?
It got washed.
Oh yeah. And you said one other thing.
It got filled up.
Oh yes. And one other thing.
The wiper blade.
The wiper blades was the first thing you noticed. The second.
It was raining.
The second thing you noticed was the
The
tyre. And then you asked me, did you wash it? I said I gave it a wipe. And now you've noticed the bumper. Is there anything else?
No.
No? Oh, okay.
I haven't noticed anything else.
Have you driven it?
Yes.
And you haven't noticed? Maybe I shouldn't have replaced all those other things.
Oh, do you want to show me what I...
Yeah, go and have a look.
Where?
Oh, there we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this short film about looking after my girlfriend.
See you in the next video.